guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be doing this video. I'm going to be doing a video on my thoughts on these two items right here, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam eyeshadow palette and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. So yeah, I'm super excited to be doing this video. It's pretty much going to be a first impressions video, just trying it on, giving you guys my thoughts, what I think, and how I like it. So yeah. Before we get into this video, just don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to get updated on when I post new videos. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on my social media. So let's go and get on to this video. So I do already have my foundation and eyebrows and all that stuff put on. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is the box. It pretty much comes with a little tab like this, so I am just gonna open it. So this is how it looks. It's a very, the packaging is a suede, it's like a suede material, which I've always kind of had like that to the suede packaging, just because it's a dirt magnet. Like, they get so dirty and you can't clean it because it's suede. So that is the only thing that I have with that, the only problem. But other than that, it's super cute. Let's see. The packaging inside comes like this. So it has like, ooh, the little brush just fell out. So it comes with a brush. As you can see, one of them on one side is like your blending brush, and then you have your flat brush. So it's really nice actually that it comes with it, and they're really soft. Most companies usually have like a little cheap brush in there. It actually feels really nice. So you have your little plastic on there, which I never keep, and then you have this little plastic here on top of the mirror as well, which I'm just gonna take off because I never keep that either. So there you go. Let me see the mirror. The mirror is actually pretty good. It's kind of small, but it is a nice size mirror. So yeah. Ooh, I already got my hands dirty. So this palette does have 14 colors. I'm gonna give you guys the name. Is Tempera, Glistening, Orange Soda, Rose Pink, Sultry, Bronze, Mulberry, Dusty Rose, Fairy, Burnt Orange, Sienna, Rustic, Cyrus Umber, I think, and Nior, which is just the black one. So these are the colors. They are super pretty. And I really like this palette because I love neutral colors. Like, that is my go-to. Like, it's very rare when you see me like messing around with like bold colors. So this palette for me is like right on the money because I love neutral colors. So this is like right up my alley. Is a lot of, you have a lot of browns in here, a lot of golds, a lot of mauve colors. So I'm super excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started now. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead, which I have no idea what look I'm doing. I'm just trying to mess with it and see. So I'm gonna take the color, let me take the brush out. I'm gonna take the color Orange Soda and apply it on my crease. So this color right here. Okay, so the first thing I'm noticing is that on the pan there is like a lot of fallout. Like when you tap onto it, it definitely has a significant amount of fallout. On the skin I didn't really notice any, but definitely on the pan it does get pretty messy. Then I'm gonna go ahead with the burnt orange, and I'm also gonna apply that on my crease just to create a little bit of dimension. That actually came out really pretty. I do like that color. All right, what should I do next? All right, so once I'm done doing that, I'm gonna take the color Rustic right here, up right there. I'm gonna take the color Rustic and apply that right on the crease, and I'm gonna leave it more towards the outer corners. So I do notice that these are quite pigmented, so you definitely want to make sure just to start with a little bit and then just kind of build it. because they are quite pigmented, so you don't want to pick up a lot of product and then have it look super harsh, you know. So there is a little bit of fallout, as you can see right here, but it's nothing too crazy. So now I'm just gonna take the color Cyrus Umber and apply it to the outer corners. Oh yeah, you see that? That is crazy. That's a lot. Yeah, and I'm just wiping it off with like a towel. So yeah, I mean, when applying this, you definitely just want to make sure to do it before your foundation. All right, then I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer. So I'm going to take the color Bronze now. Oh, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. I'm loving this color. And then of course just blend everything out. I'm actually using the brush now that comes with it, and it's to blend that out pretty good. And then in my corners right here, I'm gonna take the color Fairy. So let's see how that is. And I love that it has so many like gold tones. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, so I do like how it came out. Let me go ahead and build that darker color just a little bit. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye now. Okay, so I did go ahead and do the other eye now. I did do the other eye. So I didn't have as much fallout doing this eye right here as I did this eye, and I just pretty much picked up a little less product. So that's definitely a recommendation I have, because it definitely does have a significant amount of fallout. But other than that, I think it's pretty good. I love the colors. I didn't have to wet any of the colors with Fix Plus. They are super pigmented. So that's a really good thing. Like, none of the shadow colors I had to spray with Fix Plus. So that's a really good thing. I am going to go ahead now and just conceal before, you know, doing the rest of my eyes. So just give me a little moment. Which I am using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. So now that I've gone ahead and concealed, which the concealer covered up all that fallout, I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure to set that using some translucent powder. Alright, so once I have concealed, I'm just gonna go in and contour really quickly. I just washed my brushes, and they're still like a little bit damp. Okay, so once I go ahead and do that, I'm just gonna make sure to blend everything out. You already know the deal. I don't want any kind of crazy lines. And one thing that I really do like about this palette is that it has so many like colors. You know, like it has your golds and your browns and your mauves. It has like rosy tones, but also has gold tones. So it's really good for you to create. It's really good for you to create multiple looks. You know, you're not just stuck with, oh, I'm only gonna do golds, or I'm only gonna be able to do rosy. You have the best of both worlds. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of blush. I've been obsessed with this blush lately. It's the Tarte Party Brush. Party blush is so pretty. It like goes perfect with my skin tone, I feel. And the mascara that I am applying is the Buxom mascara. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've done most of my makeup already. I've done my eyes and you know, all of my face and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on to the highlighter now. So of course this is the packaging, super pretty. So that's how the packaging looks, super pretty. Has a bunch of stuff there. It says I live for the perfect glow. It's a constant focus in my makeup routine. I'm always looking for the most luminous glow with a natural second skin finish. This collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills brings my highlighter dreams to life, and I'm so happy to share this sun in a compact with my Amrezy writers. So that's a cute little comment she had back there. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it. Here we go. So look how pretty that is. And then it has like a little button here for you to open it. You see that? You press the button. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. You see that? And then it has like a little tab here as well. So yeah. So this is how it looks. So pretty. Oh my god. You see that? So let me swatch it first on my... Look at that. That's nice. So yeah. Let's go ahead and apply it. Wow, so it's really pretty. It's very golden, but it's not like a crazy gold. It's like a natural champagne kind of gold. You see that? And you don't really have to build it too much. I'm just gonna go crazy now. Okay? Let's just highlight to the gods. It doesn't really smell like anything. I really like this highlighter. It's so pretty. Wow. And you don't really have to build it much at all. Like, you know how sometimes you kind of have to go in twice? No, and it's so soft. Like when you apply, it's very smooth. Doesn't feel rough. It kind of sits on the skin really nicely too. I really like this. Really like it. So, and the packaging is so pretty. So pretty. Like, yeah. So lastly, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some lipstick. Oh, by the way, this is the MAC Nude de Jour MAC lipstick. And then I'm just gonna put some lip gloss over it. Alright, so those are my first impressions on these products, which I absolutely love. I absolutely love these products. They're super nice. They feel super luxurious on the skin. This is super pigmented as well as this. You don't have to apply too much to get the coverage or to get the color that you want. The only thing I will say about this, it definitely does have some fallout, so you do have to be careful. But other than that, it's really good. It feels super nice. The colors are amazing. Excuse me. The colors are super amazing. The brush keeps falling. The colors are super amazing. You have a really good variety of colors there. You see that? So you don't have to worry about not being able to do you know, as many looks as you can, because you're definitely gonna have a good variety of colors and shades to work with. And as well as this highlighter is so pretty. Oh my god, I'm so in love. I'm so in love with this highlighter. It's not even funny. Let me give you guys the price. I still got my Sephora bag. So the highlighter was $28 and the palette was $42. So not bad at all. So yeah, guys, those are my thoughts on these products. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions or any thoughts, don't feel free to leave me a little comment down below and I'll definitely get back to you. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.